Alam mo ba na ang endlot, mas malaki ang lupa, mas presko at mas may privacy? At ngayon may bank foreclose na ganito sa First Park Homes Tanza Cavite at no bidding pa. This is a townhouse and lot area 72 square meter. Malaki compared sa usual. Floor area 40 square meter. 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath. Perfect ito sa small family or sa gusto ng extra space for parking, extension, or garden. Selling price, 2,300,000 only. 20% down payment, 460,000. Loanable amount, 1,840,000. Sample computation, bank financing, estimated monthly amortization for 20 years, nasa around 13,000 to 15,000 per month. Required income, around 40,000 to 50,000 household income. Important details, bank foreclose, as is where is, no bidding basta walang kasabay. May 5,000 earnest money lang to reserve the unit. Located in First Park Homes, Tanza, Cavite. Known for its complete amenities and accessible location. Free house tour assistance available. Message us now para ma-schedule agad viewing mo. Kasi ang endlot, mabilis maubos to. This is Jin Puig. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.